It's really nice to manage huge data with just a few amount of click. And Excel is definitely one tool that will allow you to do this. Excel provides 3 levels of security, that is, file level security, worksheet security, and workbook level security. Excel provides n number of themes to create documents. Using these items, you have the option to change them or just the color according to your choice. Many companies in a different field are deploying MS Excel. There is a huge demand for MS Excel professionals around the globe. Technovids offers comprehensive advanced Excel training. Upon completion of the training, you will master MS Excel with 50+ functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, Power Pivot, conditional formatting, and many more. You will learn about functions of advanced Excel, learn the integration of Excel with other application, gain knowledge of basic visualization in Excel, and knowledge of automation in Excel. Anybody can get trained in advanced Excel, regardless of prior skills. This is a wonderful opportunity to fast-track your career. Technovids Advanced Excel Training course consists of 20 hours online instructor-led training, 10+ assignments, online class recordings, and get a certificate as Excel expert. Technovids courses come with 24/7 support, lifetime access to the recording, and job assistance. Technovids. Join us to be the change. Click on subscribe button for more interesting videos.